If you have oily skin, pero pag nag-moisturize ka sa gabi, pag gising mo, sobrang oily pa rin ng skin mo, watch this video. I'm currently here in Seoul, South Korea, and I went to Olive Young. And when I'm checking my skincare, one of their staff actually approached me and asked if I have Subuji. And I was like, girl, what is that? Subuji is a Korean term for a skin type that is oily but dehydrated underneath the skin. And maybe one of the reasons why kahit nagmo-moisturizer ka sa gabi, paggising mo, oily pa rin yung feels mo. Eh baka naman yung skincare routine that you're doing right now is not actually fit for your oily and dehydrated skin. You know what, guys? I learned also sa derm ko that most of oily skin in the Philippines, they have dehydrated skin as well. That is why it's really important that your nighttime skincare routine or even your daytime is fit for that Subuji or oily yet dehydrated skin. Dry skin is different from dehydrated skin. Dry skin lacks lipids, while dehydrated skin lacks hydration. Number one, hydrating toners can be helpful for those people with oily and dehydrated skin. I know I've said in the past, hydrating toners are not really essential for a skincare routine. That is still true up to this day, but it can be also a game changer para sa mga oily dehydrated skin. Second, choosing the right moisturizer for you is really important as well. Moisturizer that has water-loving ingredients like saccharide isomerate or hyaluronic acid. A moisturizer that also prioritizes your skin barrier. You know the product Freco, I've been using this since this year, May of this year. This is from the brand Casper. It's their Heal Repair Moisturizer. This one contains hyaluronic acid and saccharide isomerate, both hydrating ingredients. Great to pair with hydrating routine for dehydrated skin. Another tip, guys, if you have oily yet dehydrated skin, it's also important to consider the texture and the consistency of your moisturizer. We want something that is not thick. We want something that is light yet it can deliver its job of moisturizing the skin, like this one from Casper. Look how thin it is. Great for those people with combination skin type or oily skin. Imagine a routine with your hydrating toner, serum, and a great moisturizer to seal it in. With consistent use, it can actually improve your dehydrated skin. If you also have Subuji or oily yet dehydrated skin, you know what to do now. Always remember, when it comes to skincare, knowledge is power. Bye! Mwah.